Hey guys, welcome to our brand new listing in Oakville. And this home is a masterpiece. It is absolutely stunning. I know everyone in real estate says stunning and gorgeous, blah, blah, but this home is it. I can't even list all the things. I would probably be here for a half an hour listing all the high-end finishes in this home. This home is a custom built home, an amazing builder. It's got so many neat things. It has frameless windows, so it looks sleek and contemporary like an art gallery. Designer Nico millwork everywhere, the baseboards, the details. It's just such an exquisite, well-built custom home that you have to kind of see it to believe it. So I've stepped out to this great enclosed patio with a fireplace, TV, pot lights. You can sit out here for the summer and enjoy. You know what I love about Oakville? Oakville's got a good blend of old and it's got new. You can go down to Falgar, to the old part of town. It's got quaint little shops, cafes, restaurants. But then you go a little north and it's got new Oakville with a lot of the big box stores and everything. So we're in a really great community in this area. Great schools, the lake's right there. We're south facing, beaches, and we have an easy access of third line to the QEW to get down the city. But you know what? Why drive and do the traffic? We have the GO train here. It's so fast to get downtown. So this is an unbelievable home. You gotta look at the pictures. You gotta look at the video tour because it's so exquisite. And you gotta go to StuSells.ca. Give me a call, Stu, and I will take you for a personal tour.